Paving the Southeast. Established over 40 years ago, Pete Guy is a commercial and industrial asphalt paving contractor providing new asphalt paving and repair of asphalt pavement for residential and commercial needs for parking lots, driveways, walkways, roads, streets, and all other paving needs. Our expertise includes all types of repairs including patching, milling, overlay, resurfacing, and all asphalt pavement replacement and reconstruction. Pete Guy has paved thousands of parking lots including Hartsfield-Jackson Airport in Atlanta, malls, shopping centers, banks, churches, apartment complexes, hotels, and industrial complexes. We put the same amount of professional dedication into your driveway paving project as we did at Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport.